If it's been a long time since you did an update on the box, stuff can go out of date and no longer work. So if you haven't been maintaining it as you go along, or if the box just isn't performing as it should be, sometimes it's best to do a factory reset and to set it up from scratch. To do a factory reset, again we go into settings. We see here storage and reset. Sometimes it might say backup and reset depending on the box you have. Click on storage and reset. There's an option there, factory data reset, and the same again, factory data reset, and then the final option is erase everything. Now the layout is different from box to box, but the options are always the same. Once you click erase everything, it'll just take a few seconds, the box will restart, and when it restarts it'll be back to the condition it was coming from the factory. So you'll probably need to install all the apps again. You can just contact me about that and I can send you a different video with how to install all the apps.